听台湾看世界，来看英国的凯特王妃着癌，伊透过影片来宣布着好消息，讲已经完成着化疗。这王妃讲，伊期待重回着工作职位，但是伊嘛强调讲，要完全好甲你，恐惊爱过真久。
英国王室传来好消息，着癌的凯特王妃初九宣布已经完成化疗。
As the summer comes to an end, I cannot tell you what a relief it is to have finally completed my chemotherapy treatment.
凯特透过影片讲起着抗癌的心情，治疗过程真辛苦，不过嘛，互伊甲伊的亲人重新反省爱甲被爱。伊伫影片中甲先生威廉王储还有3个囡仔做伙出去佚佗，面上拢是笑容。佮讲今年免偌久就会当公开甲大家见面。
Although I have finished chemotherapy, my path to healing and full recovery is long, and I must continue to take each day as it comes.
凯特将要回归，英国人嘛真欢喜。
Amazing that she's completed it. Like, who doesn't want that news? It's so good.
Well, I think she has to have a balance between her private life and also not putting too much stress on herself, because obviously cancer is kind of sort of a, can be caused by stress.
有人分析讲，即摆凯特甲3月时有明显的无同，伊当时是坚强，也毋过不安，即摆是充满希望。
We're seeing a new side of Kate and more free, more connected to nature. As she said, she's gotten a lot of solace from being in nature, being surrounded by trees and open air and sharing that with her family. And so there's just such a brighter feeling, a more hopeful and optimistic.
凯特1月动腹肚的手术的时，发现讲有问题。伊3月正式着癌了后，前后有半年无出现伫公共场合，一直到今年6月到7月才公开露面2摆。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。